Hey, it's Mike. I'm just sitting out here on the porch looking at the lawn, and I wanted to talk about something I get asked a lot. Why EarthWorks? Why not just grab whatever fertilizer's on the shelf? Well, for me, it comes down to a couple of simple things. I don't just want a green lawn. I want a lawn that's actually healthy for my soil, my family, and everything around it. What I've learned, especially working with EarthWorks, is it's not really about feeding the grass. It's about feeding the soil. Because when your soil's healthy, everything just starts to fall into place. Better roots, better color, better recovery, and honestly, less stress overall. That's the whole idea behind biological soil management. Feed the microbes, build the soil, and let the plant do what it's supposed to do. Now, I'm not out here trying to be perfect or 100% organic overnight, but I do like the idea of using organic and carbon based products that actually improve my soil over time. With EarthWorks products, you're not just dumping nutrients down, you're building something. And honestly, this part matters to me a lot. I've got a family, I've got people out here, and I don't want to be putting down stuff that I have to worry about. I like knowing that what I'm using is better for the environment, safer around pets and kids, and not just a quick fix that disappears in a few weeks. And here's the thing, you can still get a great lawn doing it this way. I'm already seeing it myself. Thicker turf, better color, and it's improving over time, not just spiking and crashing. It's not about chasing that one perfect week of green. It's really about building something that actually lasts. So that's really it for me. It's not complicated. I just want a lawn that looks good, works with nature a little more, and gets better every season. So if that sounds like what you're after, that's why EarthWorks.